Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. And if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Looking put together is easier than people think. It's all about the details, and that's what I want to talk about today. How to always look put together. So grab something to write with, get comfortable, get something to drink, and let's talk about this. The first thing is be well groomed. This is not only hygienic, but this is one of the first thing high value masculine men notice in women. So when it comes to your nails, if you can't afford to do your nails after every 2 weeks, then you should invest in press on nails or learning how to do your own nails at home by buying the nail kits and all that you need for your nails. If it comes to your hair, if you can't afford to go to the salon frequently to do your hair, then invest in a good quality human hair wig or have a go-to hairstyle that you can make for yourself at home that can make you look put together. Like having a sleek back is so unique and works for so many people and so many face shapes. When it comes to just full body hygiene, you make sure you smell good. Make sure you have invested in good fragrance, not the cheap kind of body mists. And also, if you have discolored teeth, then you should book an appointment with your dentist or learn the DIY hacks for whitening your teeth while at home. They're there, it's possible. You can even buy the toothpaste that do help with that. The second thing is dress appropriately. I mentioned so many times you should dress for the occasion, but you should also dress for the weather. I will not expect to see you in linen dress during winter, or I don't expect to see you in a cashmere sweater during summer. When it also comes to dressing appropriately, leave the house with a wrinkle-free outfit. I do know linen gets wrinkled so fast, so it's better to really steam it or iron it very well. And the wrinkles that come, people will be able to tell the difference between a well-ironed linen and one that wasn't ironed. Also, make sure you wear clothes that fit. Clothes that fit you well, tailored clothes. So take it to the tailor, know your size, know your body shape, and wear clothes that fit you. It goes a long way to making you look put together. The third thing is simple skincare and makeup routine. So research on your skin type. Are you normal? Are you oily? Are you dry? And research on how you can the products that are best for you. And the best way to start is usually by just looking at your mom and older siblings and just see where their skin type is. Also just visiting a dermatologist or an esthetician and just checking how if there's anything you can do. I know just prescribing yourself anything you see many people are using. Most of these products endorsed by influencers are not good. They're just doing it for the money. So you should actually take the time and effort to research. And natural products are usually so good for your skin. So also research which natural products are good for your skin, because coconut oil as a moisturizer is a no-go zone. Also with this, make sure you're eating well and drinking enough water, because it goes a long way to show how your skin looks. Ladies, let me tell you, acne is not attractive. For sure. Acne is not attractive, and skincare is way more important than makeup. So if your skin is looking good, darling, then all you need is lip gloss or lipstick and something on your eyes, because your skin is the best foundation ever. The fourth thing is posture. How you stand and how you sit. How do you walk into a room? Do you walk into a room with your eyes looking down, looking shy, holding your phone, looking at your phone? Do you sit with your legs open? How do you carry yourself is very important. You will not expect a woman of high value to walk the same way as some um ghetto gang person in the hood, who's gone through life and doesn't even want to act classy or trying to be classy in any sense. So how do you stand? Do you take up space? Are your legs always open? And yeah. So have the right posture. Sit with your legs with your knees closed. Always stand with your face parallel, with the chin of your face, with the chin parallel to the floor, shoulders up, shoulders out, chest out, shoulders down, and take pride and be confident in who you are and be comfortable in your skin. The fifth thing is communication. You should learn how to speak slow and not fast. That shows that you have more confidence and you know what you're talking about. And also be articulate. Do not chew up your words. Do not do not have a lot of fillers. Do not cut yourself short. Do not interrupt somebody when they are speaking. Pay attention when people are speaking as well. Listen more than you speak, and do not curse or use vulgar or slang language. That is also really important. If somebody is well dressed and looks good, but they're speaking in slang, they are lowering the class level and they don't look put together. Finally, the last thing is time management. Here it involves planning your day. Plan your day the night before and write down what you plan on doing and even schedule it. So getting a diary is very key. It said if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Another thing is be on time. Punctuality speaks so highly of you, except if it's a fashion event, then you are allowed to be fashionably late. But otherwise, be punctual on your commitments. It speaks highly of you. Also, do not be the last person to leave the event. It also speaks highly of you if you leave earlier than the rest. It shows you have a life and it shows that you have things to be committed to. That's all, ladies. Let me know how you look put together on the comments down below.